Welcome back, guys. So I have the new shop up and running and I've been tuning a few cars. This car came in for tuning today and I thought I should definitely share it with you. It is a super cool build done by Velocity Addiction. I'll link his Instagram in the description, maybe in the screen here. But anyways, he put this car together for his buddy. It is a 2003 RSX Type S. As you can probably tell, it is a turbo setup. It is a pretty good build. This is a K20 Type S head, K20 A2 head, an Accord K24 bottom end that he put pistons and rods in, and it is 10-to-1 compression with the 50-degree VTC cam gear wheel. He did a Type S oil pump, and he built the custom turbo setup. So this is a custom Sidewinder turbo setup, eBay journal bearing turbo, I'm not sure on the size, 3-inch charge piping, custom charge piping, custom exhaust, 3-inch exhaust. But yeah, we're running FIC injectors, 1000cc injectors, 70 millimeter throttle body, I believe. It has a return fuel system setup, and I'm tuning it on Kpro today. So it should put down some good numbers. We're gonna be tuning it on 94 pump gas. We, in Canada, we don't have E85 readily available. We can technically get it in pails and drums, but at the pumps, the best fuel that we can get is 94. So we usually run 94 or 91. And yeah, so I'm gonna get to tuning it and we'll see what it puts down. So let's get started. Okay guys, so all said and done, this tune turned out fantastic. We ended up running a few boost levels. We ran 12 pounds and we ran 14 pounds and then we ran 15 pounds as the final number, and it put down, I'll show you over here. So it put down at 15 pounds, 515 horse and 405 torque. So pretty good numbers for 15 pounds of boost. 14, it made 498 and 397, and then at 12 pounds made 466 and 371. So with this setup, I know you guys are always interested in VTC and whatnot. I think VTC was roughly 20 down low, 40 when VTEC engages. VTEC engaged at 4,500 rough, and then I tapered it to like 30 and then 20 ultimately at the near red line. So anyways, that's about it for the setup. Fantastic setup. It works really well. 515 is a great number for 15 pounds of boost on pump gas. So I know this guy's gonna be super happy. It's gonna be crazy on the street with 400 foot-pounds of torque. So anyways, I think might be a short video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. And thanks again for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye now.